Last night, Southern California was rocked by a mysterious boom that lit up the sky. It wasn't an earthquake or a bomb, it was SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft, returning from the International Space Station. On May 24th, the unpiloted Dragon capsule, carrying 6,700 pounds of supplies, re-entered Earth's atmosphere, creating a sonic boom heard from LA to San Diego. The capsule, part of SpaceX's 32nd ISS resupply mission, splashed down near Oceanside at 10:45 p.m., surprising residents who thought it was an earthquake. SpaceX's Dragon keeps pushing the boundaries of space exploration. What's next for Elon's space empire? Stay tuned!